Hello guys, welcome to our 7th lecture of the tutorial for beginners, and in this lecture I will explain you the power of VLOOKUP and how can we use the VLOOKUP formula for multiple data. So before starting we just write the example by using some data. In this I just first write the serial ID, then I write the students, then marks, and in the last I write just subject. So in serial ID I just write the 1001, 1002, 103, 14, and I just select the all boxes and just drag it down so it will automatically create a sequence. Then I write the name of the students, as we know, the Christopher, Harry, James, Mark, Danny, and Tom, and last one John. And in marks we write 78, 98, 71, 84, 78, 61, and the last one is 83. And in subject I just write the science, maths, and second is computer, language, art, then again we write science and physics. These are the subjects, these are the marks, students, and this is the serial ID of the students. So I just select all the boxes, and here you see the central alignment. Just click here and select all the boxes, and here you see the tick border box, and again I select just all the boxes and just colored it so that it will be more presentable. This is all which I explained in our previous lecture, so how we can color the boxes and how we can do the tick box border and how we can make it more presentable, as I discussed in our previous lecture. So in this lecture I just only focus on our VLOOKUP function. So for this I just write here serial ID, and last one is student, or you can write status. And here I just select all the two boxes and again select the thick border box and colored the only two boxes. So just colored it. So in this box I just use the VLOOKUP formula. So how I just write equals to VLOOKUp bracket open. So here it says which value I want to look, so just I click here, so it has to look up the value in the cell number A11, comma, then it says which table, from which table I extract the data. So we will just create the table from which it should extract the data. Then it says which column I select to give you the data, so we just select 2, which means it will give us the data of column number 2. Then I just write here 0. As you see it says nothing available, so I just write 1001. Then it will give us the value of bracket 2, which is column 2, which is Christopher of 1001. If I write here just 1005, then it gives us the value of 1005, which is Danny. Now I just make some amendment, like I just changes the value of 2 to 3, so it gives me the value of column number 3, which is marks. So the 1005 student got the mark 78, which is in the column number 3. So We can also make changes, like if I write just 4, so it will changes into subjects which is in the column number 4. I just write here 2, and I just copy the students and marks, and the last one is subject. And here you see I just select one box from which the format should be copied, and here you see the format painter which I discussed previously. You just select all the 2 boxes, and here the same format will be applied here. So I just select all the boxes and I just make the thick border box. So what I have to do, I just click here and drag it here, so it will give the whole values, which means that it will drag it to give it value 2 and then again 2. So the serial number 10005 student, which is Danny, got mark 78 in science subject. So you just have to select the all boxes, and here's the central alignment, and you have to just click on thick border box. Now I just write 1006, it gives us the data of Tom. If I write 1003, then it will give us the data of James. If I want to know the data of Harry, so I have to just write the serial number of 1002, 1002. So as you see it, it will shows us the data of Harry. This is how VLOOKUP function works. It is very interesting. I just write here the formula so that everyone can understand and everyone can practice it, and everyone will know how it works. So I just write here formula and deleting it from here. I just write comma and then paste it, select and select the boxes and click on merge in center and just write here billion. So you can see the formula. It will be very helpful to you to understand how it works, and this is how VLOOKUP function works, and you can just drag it to the data which you will get. And if you face any confusion, you can write in our comment section. You can also like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Please watch it. Thank you.